Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel a Temu order and get your money back. Stick around till the end to learn the steps and tips to ensure you get a full refund. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and then click on U icon at the bottom of the screen, and this will take you to your profile section. And this is where all your recent purchases are listed. So scroll through and locate the order that you would like to cancel. Now check the current status of your order. If it says processing, then great news, you can cancel it right away. Now click on the cancel order button and then confirm the cancellation when prompted. And if it has already been shipped, then you would not be able to cancel it directly. You will need to wait for the package to arrive. And once your package arrive, refuse the delivery and then the package will be sent back to Timo automatically. Or you can initiate a return through the app. Find the order that you would like to return, and here at the bottom, you can see we have two options, refund or return. Click on it and then follow on screen prompts. So that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.